Mahama to go and rest, we don't trust him again. High level people of Ghana is your Nigerian get pleasure, bringing you political news in Achale and Kumasi. From all we know, John Mahama has been in assembly. Yes, he has been an assembly member. He has also become an MP, vice president, and president of Ghana, yet nothing to prove to it. Please watch.
Mahama, I assemblyman. Why MP da? Why vice president? Why president? And all these experiences should have made him do better. At least, because obi o experience there. Kotimi yeni year as a president, but when Timio, and now he's been booted out and say, Oba no be before. How can we trust this person? How? How can, as a country, Ghana trust Mahama? Say or no, anybody in Ghana? Never. Even if things are not going on well, Mahama is definitely not the answer to our problems. It's definitely not the solution to anything. Man in conquest. Man in conquest na papa no. We need be papa biya de maye. We need be biya or de Ghana for. Man in conquest.
According to her, she has come out to say that Ghanaians cannot trust John Mahama no matter what they bring on the table again, because there was nothing to show for everything he stayed, like all the years he has stayed in the office. He didn't do anything. Yes, Ghanaians were the people that voted him out because he was not really doing anything for them. So why is he really coming back? What is he coming back to do again?
Santasi. Okay. Apart from Interlude, no, na mo peka kokrom ni se mo bana mo problem be. I prefer me my for ebe yo muti wa kom me han so Interlude no mo ntimi nye den emma but omo ye pan say de omo bank kakra. Okay. Ya papa wa ya de pan ye ni aje. Iti a fine way on my yamamu. So we be and for so bena more amati we so ba. Oh, the benya for so the because of yeduma na e wo pan the bema amount for about na pan ye yi ato you say as say o ya ye pan so me yi pan na to bema amount customers benya customers more if a pan to benya customers more. Yeah, papa, yeah, can say your minister. Why? Say how did Santasi there? Santasi a pre-taxi ride. Okay.
Santasi is actually beautiful again. According to the woman, she has come out to say that this present government is actually doing wonders. Yes, you've seen how they are working on all the Santasi road, Santasi Kumasi road, and this one is actually bringing joy to them because this is something they've actually been waiting for, and now this present government is actually doing it for them.
Maybe Antiama, Tornado Malam Market, where filling station. See, me to wait. First, an anchor, many fear from Quanum costume. Banda, MPP, Banda woman. The fear criminal costume. It's a boy, me a boy, Luciano, a boy, Mangana. What's that trauma? MPP, let's say. Don't buy him. The other day, Nanam, dear. You never try anonymous, yes, and your brother. The other, I feel the aquature. The other, enough 4 years in aquature. That's a see, I make us our cabin. The 7 and then family, I make a pay. Because I know, adding a different nursing wedding, a young money. See, I wish I had a see that come up with some of the boss and people. You never get their own track. They are good for the bayan show. Now, the powers in your way, minimally passing into my giant. The family, oh, try the young than the show. Your mamma Dana went in there. Nana, I can one young to us. Young Ghana, young people. Ten. 10.
Also, this market woman has come out to appreciate this present government. According to her kids were not going to school because she couldn't afford it. Yes, that's why they were really at home and she wasn't really feeling cool about it. But since this present government brought in the free HSS, it has been so wonderful to her and it is just she's just enjoying it. She's not only just the one enjoying it, and now her children have gone back to school.
About one hour koto no edi ene emfaso a obenya ye wo niam nkitikiti bi wo ho say ni pa no gas V8 no bi atene mu on gas ado pastor be si koto wa chima no but ye wo niam nkitikiti bi wo ho a obema na ya available to that person to the sense say eni pa no ebenya so mfaso tem dia meka wo hwe your first promiser ye di ma Ghana for before say be power.
Okay.
Na free education meboa
Free education.
Good. Now we have free education no ebra na ye campaign free education no and some are cool na just say obia nim say free education mpo no sabi you betimi am akwala ba akumpo akọ school atuane school fees and so na me no ka say wo de wo hwe omo ni bie kura na sabi ne ba etimi nya access to Achimota secondary school holy child infant mine the old people see am be say that chobekoi every girls hwe woman do we ha the friend Ebi ono
aduane wo
yes ono aduane ma redemption
for no
very good
medina aduane sa
yes ne ba odi Kenya free education the friend justice ataglo and the otoso be the friend akofa ataglo and the otoso mi ensa sisi ese wo ko friend Jacqueline ataglo na wuni hwe obi a ono asa aduane sabi ni sika ese wo ye single mother o enso enemi no ka say the last born ko amamefo no Jackie unya a big girl oko school awudomi
okay
unya aggregate 10
okay
me ana me pushi ye e ma ni timinya a big girl
why there
na edana ma me na ekọ no
okay
sabi ofa na ho ene ne ho sabi obetiminya fa because oko the best school no buy na so be ka chere say
ofa na ho saying like
oh see ka so bi afa no ho a
so sese ne ho
what you say na oba na so be ka chere say abrewa mesi bi koduru ye no ka escape pama
and
just said the rank yen kan bi enso ne ba no enya access eni sa escape ma no isle go wo mo te mansion eni wo ma wo da chairman home eba kwa akotrase esua de dachi anya bia no wonya ne classmate so what you say enti we eni niam aye ka eto so bi ye ba yi me kai se me wo me mama yen sa me fa de otoso 9 nkan eye me ba bright adepa ene Oscar na me pese me health insurance e ma wo ma me ko gina sharp care no so enye ma ho oden electrical shop no ni mo ma fa dropping no de me call abeka free pipe area mo ye free baby post office I want health insurance ni eye no na me kwa me ko di lie so 3 hours den kwale da me wi da me yise no mo tete me o mo nyini ye ni nyina me di nya me pe abatan e ba nyina ansana etimi aye e di amam em na me no ka say health insurance ni wi ametimi dem mo na mabo ka star 929 na me di atwede na ka ho wi pe me renew ni nyina utimi check say ewu and ewu if you call hospital put say health insurance na wu a utimi gina hospital wa me renew e di mawo hwe ma me mfa emra benim last 2 weeks me my bro we call 37 na you could do 37 once I go hospital we folder neboa you could do na no ni folder ho enti omo feeling ho nsam ni say omo ma folder ne dia ko diri na ebisa mfa na o feeling we si nanim enti owi na so na wa ma folder na so yenko baby ayeko hu doctor no direct o ma folder ti ko e pe la la o e transfer do ye so the boy bell pen you call here bisa Madam Matilda o say sit down mama am let na say
yeah just say there
ye bibia wie ye no doctor no hwe ni wie ye bibia wie ye no ni enim so be ba ye pipa keto bi da etwotwo enu wo so no ti en fa koji ebru enim bi sa lo so da bi mo nko fama.
Please do it to like, comment, follow, put on notification bell so you get all our updates one by one. Thanks, my people.